Helen here. I'm just popping on quickly to give you the winner of the giveaway, my 10,000 subscriber giveaway that I've been running for the last 2 weeks. It finished yesterday, so I'm going to do the random draw and tell you who that person is. I wanted to thank you all very much for all your lovely comments. Apologies for not being able to reply to any of them. I thought it would skew all the numbers that I needed to do for the random part of it. So I did have one question which I needed to answer, so I'm going to minus that from the number of comments that I got. So it turns out that I had 100, so minus my comment makes 99. So without further ado, I'll use this random.org website and generate a number between 1 and 99, and I get number 48. So I'll go back to my YouTube channel and we'll work out who that is. So back on my YouTube channel, I'll make sure that the list is sorted by the newest first, so the oldest comment is at the bottom, and I'll work from the bottom up. So I'll count 48 from there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So it's Glenys Trotman. You're the lucky winner of the $30 voucher to be spent at any store that you're choosing. If you'd like to contact me, Glenys, I'll have my link to thy blog underneath the video here in the description. If you'd like to go over to the blog, and at the very bottom of my page there's a email me tab. If you'd like to tab that and just let me know that you're the winner, and then I'll be in contact to you about organising the voucher for you. Congratulations, and thanks to everybody else for entering. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.